my name is Joanna Petit-Frere, makeup artist and beauty expert. Welcome to my pink glittery eyeshadow tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect sparkly eyeshadow look in just a few easy steps using some of my favorite beauty products. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notification to get the latest updates on my new makeup videos. Now let's get started. I'll be applying the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen from NYX. This smudge-resistant brow pen allows you to create thick to thin strokes that mimic your natural brow hair. Draw a fine line from the bottom hairs of your brow in an upward arch motion and down to a fine point. Then draw a line from the top of the brow arch in a downward motion to connect the previous bottom brow line. Then fill in the center of the two lines to your desirable eyebrow color tone. Then lightly draw short upward lines in the front of your brows that mimic your natural hair pattern to give that natural ombre eyebrow effect. Next, I'll be using the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot as an eye primer. Long-wearing blendable eye primer and cream shadow that works great under eyeshadows and lasts 24 hours. Using the tip of the concealer brush, apply a thin line under the arch of your brow. Using the body of the brush, apply the color from your brow to your lid. It creates a barrier between the skin and the product to give your makeup a long wear. Next, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer. Using a concealer brush, I apply the product on the top of my lids and under my brows to conceal and neutralize the color of the eyeshadow base. Next, I'll be using the Nudes by Juvia's Eyeshadow Palette. Using an eyeshadow brush, apply the light beige matte eyeshadow color to both inner tear ducts. Next, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera Palette. Using an eyeshadow brush, apply the color Pale Marrow to the inner and outer corners of your lid. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Bronze Contour Palette in the color Medium. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, apply the warm top color to the crease of your lid, and apply the lighter, cooler color under your brow, the middle part of your lid. You transition the two shades seamlessly together. Let's apply the color Bahamas using a soft-haired blending eyeshadow brush. Gently tap the hot pink color on both outer parts of both lids. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner Black is Black. Using an angle eyeliner brush, apply the liner as close as you can to your lash line. Then apply the liner above your lid at the end of your lash line in a downward wing motion. Next, I'll be using the Too Faced Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner in black. Give it a good shake and apply it right on top of the black liner that we made with the gel eyeliner to define, perfect, and darken the wing. I'll be using Sephora's Big by Definition Defining and Volumizing Mascara. This long-wearing mascara provides fuller and well-defined lashes. Apply the mascara to your top and bottom lashes and build it to your desirable look. Next, I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW40. Using the concealer brush, I apply this product to brighten and cover discoloration under my eyes. Next, I'll be applying a warmer tone NC45. Apply this product on top of the NW40 to conceal, neutralize, and warm the color. Next, I'll be using the Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Mattifying Makeup Primer. It's a lightweight water cream makeup primer with skin benefits like niacinamide that blurs pores and controls shine. I apply the primer on my cheeks, forehead, and chin, and you can add a little extra on the areas where you tend to be more oily. Apply the matte concealer NW45. Using the concealer brush, apply this product on the top part of my eyebrows to outline and define the shape of my brows. Then I apply the concealer to the lower part of my chin to brighten and even out the complexion on the lower part of my face. Next, I'll be applying the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. It helps with discoloration, hydration, and has a smooth matte finish. Using a foundation brush, apply the color N80 in a tapping motion to concentrate the color on both sides of your face, on your nose, on your forehead, and on your chin. Next, I'll be applying the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Pressed Powder. It's a vitamin B5 infused formula that helps to lock in moisture and delivers a soft blurring finish that controls oil all day. Using a wedge makeup sponge, I apply the powder under both of my eyes in a pressed down motion, fusing the products together to prevent the concealer from creasing or moving. You need to apply the pressed powder on your nose, your forehead, both sides of your face, and on your chin. This pressing technique fuses the product together, gives it a long wear, and creates a smooth blur finish. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Bronze Contour Palette in tan. Using a soft eyeshadow crease brush, apply the color to the crease of my lid. Using the same color, I apply the warm brown tone on both sides of my nose, under my lower lashes. Using a detailed bronzing brush, apply the warmer tan color around the frame of your face, under your cheekbones, on your forehead, and under your jawline. Then go in with the darker contour palette, Deep Dark. Apply the warm brown tone to the crease of your lids, then the deeper tone under your lower lashes, under your cheekbones, along the frame of your face to deepen the contour. Next, I'll be using the Juvie's Place Volume 2 blush. Using a blush brush, apply the warm pink on both sides of your cheeks, nose, and forehead. The blush gives your skin a healthy glow and puts the warmth back into your skin. Next, I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Classic Glow Kit. Using a highlighter brush, sweep the color bronze on the high points of your face. Swoop a line down the center of your nose, tap it on top of your upper cheekbones and your cupid bow, delivering a natural-looking glow. Next, I'll be using the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. Apply the non-sticky gel formula in an upward motion to tame and groove your eyebrow hairs. Next, I'll be using the Lancome Le Crayon Creamy Blendable Long-Wearing Pencil in the color Black Coffee. Apply it in a swooping back and forth motion in your bottom waterline. Next, apply the NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer. Using a touch-up brush, gently tap a small amount of glue on top of the eyeshadow and on the middle and end part of your eyelids. Next, I'll be applying the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the color Rose. Using a touch-up brush, gently tap the glitter on top of the glue and build it to your desirable sparkle and shine. Next, I'll be using the Eyelure Luxe Faux Mink Lashes. Using the eyelash glue applicator, apply the glue on the track of the lashes. Wait 10 to 20 seconds for the glue to semi-dry and get a little sticky. Place the lashes on your lid as close as you can right above the root of your natural lashes. Gently squeeze the lashes and your natural lashes close together. Once they get dry, gently push the lashes in an upward motion. This creates a glamorous flare that complements the cat eyeliner look. Next, apply the MAC Lip Liner Plum. Apply it on the upper and lower part of your lips. Next, I'll be applying my makeup line Visage One Studios Luxurious Longwear Matte Lip Stains. Apply it on your lower and upper lip. After applying the lip stain, reapply the plum liner in a back and forth motion on the outline of your lips, creating the ombre effect. Next, I apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss Amber Sparkle. Apply it on top of my bottom and upper lip to give my lips some dimension and to make my lips stand out with a little glitter pop and shine. Final look. A glittery, sparkly pink eyeshadow look that is perfect for a night out or special occasion. I also teach one-on-one and group makeup classes. The link to the classes are below. Also, all my social media pages and the links to all the products I use in this video are listed below. Don't forget to comment below with beauty questions and makeup looks you want me to recreate. And make sure that you hit the like, share, subscribe, and bell button for more videos like this one.